In this video, I'll show you how to avoid scams on Facebook Marketplace using your phone. Marketplace is a great place to buy and sell items, but it's important to stay careful to avoid fake listings or dishonest buyers and sellers. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the Marketplace option from the menu. When browsing items, always check the seller's profile before contacting them. Tap on their name and review their profile details, posts, and account history to make sure the account looks real. Be cautious if the account is new or has very little activity. Next, read the item description carefully and compare the price with similar listings. If the price is extremely low or the offer looks too good to be true, it could be a scam. When messaging the seller, keep the conversation inside Facebook and avoid moving to other apps for communication. Also avoid sending payments in advance to people you don't know. If possible, arrange to meet in a safe public place to inspect the item before paying. If you notice a suspicious listing, tap the three dots on the listing and select Report to notify Facebook. Staying cautious and checking details carefully can help you avoid most scams on Marketplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.